Science and technology plays a significant role in the Philippines as the country continues to pursue progress and development. The science and technology sector is composed of individuals who are dedicated to innovation, research, and development of various fields such as medicine, engineering, computer science, and biotechnology. In this context, personalities who excel in science and technology have become essential in shaping the future of the country. These individuals are setting the bar high for scientific and technological advancement in the Philippines and serve as role models for future generations. Did you know that science and technology first started during pre-colonial period, Spanish colonial period, American period, post-Commonwealth era, Marcos era, and martial law? And now, let's talk some of the personalities in science and technology in the Philippines and their contribution to the society.
Certainly, here are some notable individuals who have made significant contribution to the development of science and technology in the Philippines. Number 1. Dr. Fee Del Mundo. She was a renowned Filipino pediatrician and the first woman to be admitted to Harvard Medical School. Dr. Del Mundo made significant contribution to child health care and invented several innovative medical devices. Number 2. Diosdado Banatao, a Filipino-American computer engineer. Banatao invented the first single-chip graphical user interface accelerator and co-developed the chipset that pioneered the PC industry. Number 3. Dr. Jose Rizal. While primarily known for his nationalist and literary contribution, Dr. Jose Rizal also made significant scientific contribution. He explored various fields, including ophthalmology, engineering, and languages. Number 4. Dr. Angel Alcala, a marine biologist and environmentalist. Dr. Alcala has dedicated his life to the preservation of marine resources. He played a vital role in establishing marine sanctuaries and promoting sustainable coastal management. Number 5. Dr. Lourdes Cruz, known as the Queen of Venom. Dr. Cruz is a biochemist whose research on marine cone snails has led to significant breakthrough in the field of medicine, including the development of painkillers. Excellent! Now, let's move on to the individuals we interview regarding the science and technology in the Philippines.
So good day. I am here at the College of Hotel Management building, and I'm with Miss.
My name is David Dennis Milia from College of Business and Management. I am fourth year BS Entrepreneurship student.
Ate, are you familiar with the subject Science, Technology, and Society? No. Um, but, but do you have any idea about the subject?
I think science and technology is about the existing of technologies in the society and application of science.
I have here po 10 questions regarding science, technology, and society that I would like to ask about. Number 1 po is, who are some famous personalities in science and technology in the Philippines?
As of now, I only know few scientists, which is Dr. Jose Rizal and Dr. Lourdes Cruz.